Hurry up, Jim. Hurry up, okay. Just want to tell you, can you write in the comments? Can you tell me how to skip, the boring parts when I have to get the ball and stuff. Jim should never play socks. He sucks so much. This guy's always pissing me off. Why? You better make it another time. This guy's stupid though. Got that. That's what I got that. Come on. Come on. Dude, now we should pass this to YouTube, this video. Let's do it first, and then we're gonna be posted to YouTube. You're making a okay. Time to smash it again. Come on. Smash this one. Oh. So Jim, gonna be the last kick and then we're done. Sorry guys, this is getting all night. One more kick and then I'll win if you don't win. Thank you guys if you watch this video. Like that thumb button in the face like a boss. So I want to tell you, please write in the comments if you know how to skip the boring parts where you get the ball and stuff. And yeah, peace on the street, son. Press the red button.